Welcome to NLC Garden Products. Today we'll show you how easy it is to build your own pergola with our 9-step guide. You'll need a battery drill, tape measure, spirit level and step ladders. Our pergola kit includes all the screws and drill bits you need. We use a standard screw kit across our range, so if you see extra screws, don't worry, it's normal. And if you're thinking about grabbing a saw, stop right there. No cutting is needed for this build. We recommend having at least 2 people to help. And if you've got basic DIY skills, this should take around 3 hours. Before you begin, prepare the ground. Depending on your pergola style, you'll either dig holes for the posts or bolt them in place. Step 1. Fix the base plates with 4 70mm screws. Step 2. Place posts side by side with notches facing you and facing outwards. Step 3. Set the 2 posts apart to the required width for the multi-notched rail. Position the multi-notched rail so that the end notch sits in line with the side notch at each end. Step 4. Pre-drill and fix in place with 2 70mm screws. Step 5. Repeat steps 2 to 4 for the remaining posts. Step 6. Stand up both front and back and slot in the required single notched runner. This will hold both sides up while you slot in remainder of runners. Step 7. Pre-drill and fix with 2 70mm screws at each corner. Step 8. Pre-drill through the top of the runners, then fix with a 100mm screw. Step 9. Fit diagonal corner struts, pre-drill pilot holes and secure with 100mm screws. If you have a base kit, make sure your pergola is level and square before bolting it down. Use a spirit level and tape measure. Voila! It's that simple.